this is how to do paper weaving. You'll need some kind of colorful paper, main paper that could be black or white, and then a scissors and a pencil. This is going to be the loom. The loom is what you weave through. So I'm going to fold this from the bottom to the top. Boop, 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 boop. Try to get it even. And fold, fold, fold. At the top, which does not have the fold, I'm going to draw a line. Try to get a little bit straight. It's about a 1/2 inch big. So this is my line. Again, that's not on the fold. The fold does not have the line. The opening has the line. And then I'm going to draw some lines downward. These could be crooked. They could be curved. That would make a really cool optical illusion. They could be straight like I'm doing. It's easiest to weave if they're a little straight, but whatever. As long as the lines go from this line to the bottom here, they cannot touch the sides. So from this top to the bottom. And I'm going to cut these out. I'm only cutting right to this line here. I'm not cutting past it because that might destroy my loom, and I don't want that. If I open it, you should have lovely strips that are connected at the top and the bottom. And I'm gonna flip it because I don't wanna see my drawing lines. These lines here are called the warp, which you are weaving through with your other paper. And this whole thing is the loom, or it's a paper loom. So now I'm going to cut my strips. My strips kind of match the same size here. I'll just do my best to cut some straight strips. And you can do, oops, I even cut a little piece there. You can do whatever colors. You can do a pattern of colors. You can have thin strips, thick strips. That's up to you. You can use a ruler to cut straighter than I'm cutting. Or you can just freehand it like I'm doing. Okay, I've cut enough strips for now. What I'm going to do is use these strips to weave through over, under, over, under, over, under. These are called the weft strips or the weft pieces. So I went under, over, go under, over, under, over, under. I can pull that up. It's probably easiest to kind of do it near the middle and then pull it up at the end. Now I'll go the opposite. This is under. I'm going to go over and then under. So you can see it'll create kind of a checkerboard pattern. Maybe you have done this before, because I know I taught a lesson to some people using this technique, or maybe you haven't. So whether you're trying again or it's brand new, it's still kind of fun to make. You can always do different kind of patterns. There are patterns where you do over 2, under 1 and make really cool kind of designs. But this is the basics of just the traditional single over under. And you can see I'm kind of making a pattern. I'm going purple, blue, purple, blue. You'll know it's right when it looks like a checkerboard. So you have kind of white every other one. If you end up putting a strip in the exact same direction, you'll really notice it because it slides up and down together. So this will slide together back and forth if that happens. So you'll know that's not correct. The other ones don't do that because they stop right there. So I'll have to take that out and try again. Okay, that's about as far as I'm going to go. Hopefully you learned something or tried something new. You can try cutting the strips at an angle or curved or wavy, and that'll create an even different kind of awesome design. So just test it out and see what you can make. Have fun.